The heart that beats inside this bike is the renowned V-shaped 90 degrees transverse twin-cylinder 4-valve engine, the highest performer among all the families of engines manufactured at Mandello del Lario, which has now reached exclusive levels as far as its technical/performance development is concerned. This latest version can boast the careful attention paid to achieve a more silent and smooth running of the engine whilst tweaking the electronic control, timing system, cooling and exhaust system. The brand new integrated ignition and injection ECU now exploits the signals sent by the two lambda probes to guarantee adequate feeding throughout the entire combustion cycle, improving response to the throttle control, mid-range power delivery further to consumptions and emissions. The oil radiator is fitted on the lower fairing lug and has a thermostat-controlled electric fan that keeps the temperature of the